Okay guys, so I'm just going to go through some of the exam questions that you said were a little bit troublesome. And the first one is question 1b, where you're matching these 4 bar graphs, cumulative frequency graphs here, with the female fish box plot. If we just have a quick look at that, and I'm just going to kind of copy down some of the key data because we can't look at it all at the same time. Here I've got 4, 6, 8, 16 and 24. Okay, so after you've done a few of these, you might start to be able to kind of know which one these will look like, but let's go through the process of how you'd figure that out. So here I've got my lengths, right? And if I'm talking about my cumulative frequency, the box plot cuts up my data into quarters. Okay, so here is basically 0%. My lowest value would be 0%, and here would be 25%. So 25% of these fish are between 4 and 6. Then I've got 50%. Okay, that would be another quarter. So 50% of the fish are between 4 and 8. Then here would be 75%, and up here would be 100%. So cumulative frequency, everything up to that point. And here are the lengths. And then I'm just going to kind of sketch this out. So we've got lengths across the bottom, and we've got cumulative frequency up the side. 50, 100, 25, 75, roughly. Okay, we're just trying to see the rough shape that comes out. Maybe 100 should be a bit higher than that. And the lengths. So let's say that's 24. So that would be 12, 6, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of. Like, I'm just getting an idea. So first of all, my cumulative frequency would start from 4, because there's nothing lower than that. This is kind of the point 0, 4. So that's my x coordinate. Yep, and that's my y coordinate. Length is x, cumulative frequency is y. So then 6, 25 would be here. 8, 50 would be, it's rough, that would be 8, 10, 12, so here. So we can see when we've got a short, so not much increase in length, but a big increase in our percentages, we get quite a steep start. Then our 75% goes up to 16. So let's say that's 14, 16, 18. So when I've got a long box plot, it flattens out because I've still only got 25% going up on the Y, but I've got a big increasing length. And finally, 100 here. So from that, this isn't the usual shape of a box plot you would expect, but it does match quite nicely with one of those graphs, and that would be graph 3. Okay, once you're more used to this, you might be able to look and see more easily, but going by the quartiles and plotting those points out is a kind of nice method to use.